everything. My name is Rohit from Department of Civil Engineering. I am here to develop a presentation on a similar topic, that is water harvesting for agriculture use. So let's begin with my first slide, that is content. Introduction, then I will go for background and purpose of water harvesting, application in a particular area, then techniques applied in water harvesting, methods of water harvesting, and advantages and disadvantages of water harvesting. Introduction. Water harvesting is an amazing technique that is widely accepted throughout the world and is used to prove the water scarcity problem is in agriculture production. The micro and macro water harvesting techniques are implemented in arid, semi-arid, and tropical regions. In our semi-tropical region, depending on the purpose and the circumstances. Background and purpose of water harvesting application in a particular area. Studies by Owens and Hagen in 2006 found that in West Asia and North African countries, particular agriculture accounts for 75% of total water consumption. Number second, that water harvesting project was initiated in Manas in 1995 at dry areas in southern Syria because the annual rainfall is only 150 mm. And precipitation occurs in the form of intensive storm. Declining productivity, expansion irrigation land, arable lands, erratic rainfalls, and dry spell are the problems faced by small scale farmers. More than 70% of Pakistan actually is arid or semi-arid. With uneven distribution of rainfall, the rainfall occurs that evaporates and generally goes to result in surface runoff. Rainwater harvesting in India is via traditional techniques. It is to recharge the groundwater and this.
आपके अटेंडेंस पे नहीं हो नहीं आप निकलोगे ना तो अटेंडेंस कहाँ होगी हाँ
Hence, we should adopt new techniques in water harvesting. So, techniques of water harvesting small scale agriculture. Microclimate includes the contour bunds and ridges are the highly raised structures that collect the water, sufficient water. These are in the curved shape so that they can collect a good and sufficient rainfall or water. These are spaced this is the distance between the two contours is taken as 5 and the distance is taken as 20 and the distance between the ends of the contour bund is taken as 1 and this distance is taken as 8. These are in the these are also called as moon shape because so that they can collect a good and sufficient rainfall. Number second, that is micro-catchment technique. Micro-catchment technique is generally construction of dams or roads or digging pits so that we can collect more and more water. We use plastic technology in the furrows and these in the catchment techniques. In this technique, rainwater is collected by utilizing heavy weight of unoccupied land. The four countries, that is Greater Horn of Africa, Ethiopia, Tanzania, Kenya, these collect the water from the adjacent roads and they form the ponds and collect the water in there. In America, these are known as half-moons, Joda, these are known as mountains. Benefits of water harvesting. We have seen the great benefits in the water harvesting that yield of potatoes has increased by 158 to 175% in 2 years and for 1.9. And our next catchment technique, water harvesting can improve content of root zoning at 30% and sorghum has been seen 41% and when it is added with fertilizers it has seen that 180% has been increased. We have seen SFR, small for these have increased the vegetation, the cultivation and hence increased the income margin of 37.5%. Examples India. In India, in Tamil state of Tamil Nadu, rainwater harvesting was made compulsory for every household to avoid the water depletion. Number second, in Rajasthan, water harvesting was traditionally being practiced in the people of harvesting. At present, rainwater harvesting is compulsory for new society to be registered in Pune. Now we got techniques of rainwater harvesting for small scale agriculture. we have reached we collect the easiest and affordable. We collect the rooftop rainwater from the roof. We use the gutter system. This gutter system carries the water of rainwater and then it is carried by the downspouts. Downspouts, then it is collected, filled, it is being collected into the storage tank. That is installed in the side or at the ground level. Number second is wet system. Wet system collects also collecting. This is different from the rain barrels. These collect the rainwater from the rooftop, and this gets collected through downspouts. These downspouts and the water tanks are being installed under the ground. There, water all the time. Green it does not include any storage tank. It includes the reservoirs, and we collect the water in the reservoirs. Then it is channelized to the God or any other or any by this is the figure of the collecting area. This is the collecting area of the rooftop where gutters are installed below them. These gutters carry the water, and then it is used by the downspouts. Downspouts are channels that are used in the corners of the buildings like this. Then it is stored in the storage tank. Then it is used as a pumping system, and also it is used for purposes. And from this side, this is an area where the rainwater is being collected. Then it is carried by these conductors and is on the groundwater. Now, advantages of rainwater harvesting. Where self-sufficiency, we have good quality of water available, participants low in minerals, it reduces the soil user, and every household can practice it, reduce the cost of chlorine system. Now, last time disadvantages of rainwater harvesting. This the disadvantage is that we have uncertainty in the rain. There is uncertainty in rainfall. We have limited storage so that we can collect the rainwater at time. The operation hours and low storage.
चलो पूछेगा कोई अपने फोटोज जो है समझ रेन वाटर हार्वेस्ट बाकी जो आपने डिस्कस किया वो कहीं पे नहीं है वैसे हाँ तो ये बस यही है कि बाकी थोड़ा किसी आसान डायग्राम करें एक्सप्लेन चलो पहले मार्कर है उधर हाँ चलो लिखो उधर बस लिखो रेनफॉल इंटेंसिटी हाँ लिखो रेनफॉल इंटेंसिटी 10 सेंटीमीटर पर आवर 10 सेंटीमीटर पर आवर ठीक है चलो देखो एरिया आपको कौन सा सेंटीमीटर ड्यूरेशन ऑफ रेनफॉल that's 300 minutes calculate volume इसके लिए कैलकुलेटर चाहिए पहले आप बना फार्मूला फिर देंगे फार्मूला बनेंगे 요거त इतना इमेज क्वेश्चन आदि ऐसी ईमानदारी से काम कर लो तो एक भी तो आराम से यू से ना चला लग गया आएगा
बहुत
बस भाई रख दो छोड़ दो अब अच्छा तो ठीक
इसमें करना क्या टाइम इज गिवन कन्वर्ट इट टू आवर्स मल्टीप्लाई बाय इंटेंसिटी ऑफ रेनफॉल तो 50 सेंटीमीटर बन गया 5 5 are 25 into terrace over something अच्छा चुका ये चुकी क्या for a student like for final year engineering ये पॉसिबल किसी 30 चीजों की जमात के बच्चे के लिए जरा एक स्लाइड पे जाइए हमसे पहले आपने लिखा है वेट सिस्टम कलेक्शन पाइप और linked to downspouts of building and diverted into storage tank ये डाउनस्पाउट मुझे बताइए क्या होता है नहीं इसमें आप फिगर बताइए
सर अगर बिल्डिंग के काफी सर जो डाउन पाइप्स लगे हुए बिल्डिंग की साइड से
डाउनस्पाउट पाइप कलेक्शन एरिया कलेक्शन
चलो
नेक्स्ट